In this video, I will be showing you how to create graphic designs using Canva AI. Let's get started. Starting on the Canva homepage, I head over to the left sidebar menu and click on Canva AI to open up the AI creation workspace. Once the page loads, I see the main prompt bar where I can describe the design I want to generate. I click into the prompt area and several format pills appear underneath. First, I select the image option to set our format. Next, I click on the AI quality dropdown and choose Ultra for high definition output. Then, I open the aspect ratio dropdown and select 9:16 to generate vertical portrait graphics. After that, I click on the style dropdown to browse through various visual presets like 3D render, cinematic, and illustration before heading back to the input box. Now, I enter my prompt into the text field. A vibrant 3D digital illustration of a futuristic workspace with a sleek laptop open on a wooden desk, a steaming coffee mug nearby, soft cinematic lighting, neon blue and purple accents, high-quality rendering, isometric view, and a clean corporate text style. Once the prompt is set, I click the Submit button to begin generating. Canva AI starts processing our prompt and crafting the designs. As the placeholders appear, the AI defines the shapes, colors, and lighting, creating 3 distinct variations that match our custom parameters. Once finished, all 3 generated images appear directly in the chat view. I scroll through the options to review how each composition turned out. I hover over the different results to see the details, and then I click on the Edit button on the third image. This brings up a full-size preview in the right panel where I can examine the artwork, download it directly, or click to open it inside the Canva editor for further customizing. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create graphics design using Canva AI.